Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll do the unboxing and review of this portable folding trolley from Buildskill. I sourced this from Amazon for rupees 2,300. So the trolley was shipped in a box like this. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is what you get. You get the trolley. This is the thank you leaflet, and you get a very small note just in case you are unhappy with your purchase and you want Buildskill to address some issues. You also get a good quality stretchable bungee cord along with the trolley with two heavy duty hooks at the end. That will help you tie the luggage carried to the trolley so they don't tip over when you move. The cord is also stretchable and holds the goods tightly to the carrier. So speaking of the design and build quality, the trolley is built using a combination of steel and ABS plastic. And this is not aluminium, guys. So it is a little heavy by nature, and it's not exactly lightweight. You can see that it weighs approximately 3.3 kgs. So the trolley comes with a two-stage telescopic handle. And the minimum height is 700 mm, and the maximum height with the handle raised is 925 mm. You can release this red release button to extend the handle, and it locks itself in place with a firm click. The telescopic operation is very smooth. You have a padded grip here at the center, and the supporting ABS guard plate here, which is firmly held using rivets, which you can see. At the bottom, you have the foot plate here, which is hinged. Simply use your foot to unfold it, and that's it. The wheels also unfolds itself. The foot plate has a non-slip pattern, as you can see. The foot plate measures approximately 370 mm in length and 270 mm in width. They have given these holes here to aid in reducing the overall weight of the unit. And as you can see here, the well joints are also quite good. Build quality is very good. The plastics and the metal used are of very good quality, and it gives a very robust feel and construction overall. The padded wheels too are of larger size. Foot operation works really well, and the hinges also unfold properly, and they fold including the wheels. The wheels do not tend to wobble, and the handle stays firm. Using the trolley is very simple. Open the foot plate using your foot, and the wheels fold out themselves. Extend the handle using this red button, and load the goods and maneuver the trolley where you want to load and unload the goods. Please do not overload the trolley, guys. It isn't meant for industrial grade use. The safe working load, as Buildskill claims, is only 60 kgs. And performance wise, the trolley works just the way as it is intended to, and helps to shift the goods like boxes, appliances, etc. from one place to another, like the truck to the lift, for instance. And it greatly reduces the strain and tiredness, especially if you're shifting your home, for instance. Primary reason I got this trolley was to move some of my equipment like the sound bar and subwoofer, etc. from my home to the railway station and back from the station to my home. The best part is there's no assembly required. It comes ready to use straight out of the box and occupies a very small footprint when it is folded. It's about that thin, guys. 60 mm, less than 60 mm when the footplate is folded. The unfolding and folding operations take mere seconds, and you can easily tuck it behind the back of your door. Or in the boot of your car. There's just a very minor drawback that I found. The wheelbase could have been a little wider, so you could get better balance when transporting larger boxes. For instance, the wheelbase right now is about 330 mm. Had these wheels been spaced out a little more wider, you could transport larger boxes with better balance. So final verdict, it is a great utility item to have around your home or your workplace, and it comes at a very nominal price. So that'll be all, guys. I hope this video was useful. I'll see you in yet another video. Bye and take care.